Pattaya. Today raining season, and this is the Royal Garden. So many motorbike stop here. Same like motorbike shop. Hello, good morning viewers. Today just we will see some shopping malls in Pattaya like that Royal Garden, and that one is the walking street. Today raining season. Here is the coconut juice. How much? 50 baht. One juice coconut in the Pattaya beach, 50 baht. My shop is the first shopping center in Pattaya. Shop in Pattaya, the shopping first mall. Sorry. So we will see today what is this inside here. This shop name is Mike shop. Let me see there. Yes, viewers. This is the name Mike Shopping Mall. This is the first mall in Pattaya. Right now is I think there's so many shops open already, but this is the main first shop in Pattaya. Very long time. Hi. Let me see inside what is here today. Oh, this is yeah, clothes shop, everything is fine if you come here. It's very nice. Low cost, right? Okay, low price, no? Thank you. Hello guys, how are you? You can talk about for something for your this shop?
Yeah, football picture, what you want.
Okay. No, I make it ready for my YouTube platform.
Okay.
I will give you when I come back.
Okay, sure.
So it's very low cost, right?
Yes.
Yeah, today my subject for this shop, the main first shop in Pattaya. This mall, the first mall. Yeah. So I have to come back. Okay. So you see this is the main Mike shop. In the first shop in Pattaya, around 20 years old, this shop. This shopping center is more than 20 years or maybe 25 years. The first shopping mall, sorry. So like that, we were Sadika, you my friend. Okay, there's very nice people here also is working here. Okay. You from Nepal, right? From Nepal? Yeah, he's from Nepal and he also selling the shoes and very nice. If somebody come visit here, this is the first mall, right? In the Pattaya. Yeah. So viewers, we see also. Okay, I will come back. Pattaya, everybody know the Pattaya is more popular city in Thailand, but it's the first shopping center, the first one in Thailand in Pattaya. This shopping center. His name is Mike Shopping Center, and kindly right now is the low season. I don't think there's too much customer, but it is okay. So we will see like this is shop only for like clothes and bags, and some also have upload and food, everything here. Okay, so let me see the half set. Very decoration is very nice, and also here is so many clothes. I think this mall only for maximum is cloth shop and bags. Here is no have cinema, just cloth shop like more cheaper also. If you visit here, if you like the clothes, if you want to buy clothes, so it is more cheaper and very nice. This massage chair, if you sit here, you put 10 baht, then you can massage also. And I think this ground floor and first floor, the second floor already closed because now have more passengers. Sorry, more customers. Okay, so like twice and gym. Maximum is clothes shop this mall right now, but before I don't know is maybe perfume shop, maybe anything, but now it's quite saturation. Yes, we were like that also. Something have inside here, some bomb, tiger bomb, like Thailand perfume, small size like that. Yes, some shop like that only. You can buy like everything. I looking for YouTube. Okay, I telling some people come to here. Okay, this is very nice also. This mall maximum is clothes shop, but have some shop like that. Okay, kapang. I'll let it go. For children, 39 baht. Yes. Viewers, you see the 39 baht for children is very nice, and she's selling also here, and also kind of like that is shop. Maximum is clothes shop, but it's the second floor already closed, right? And the low season right now is Thailand is low season. Maybe next month is open also second floor. Yeah. And viewers, this mall, the first mall in Pattaya, my shopping mall. But there is also have fitness, the 5th floor. And walking straight about 5-minute walk from here. And this is the Pattaya beach road also. They have some shopping mall and people sit down here also have here. And we will see another. Okay viewers, right now this video finish. So take care, have a nice day, bye bye.